There are a number of reasons why you might discover bare patches in the lawn. For example, you may have treated large areas of weeds or moss in the lawn, and now that they have been dealt with, bare patches have been left. Or you may find that bare patches have appeared from heavy use of the lawn in certain areas, such as near a swing or a football goal. Drought can also be a cause of troublesome bare patches in the lawn. Patching products contain grass seed and also a growing medium to help establish the new grass. They also include a fertilizer to feed the seedlings, giving great results with a minimum of effort. For best results, the patch or ground should be prepared prior to application. Any stones or debris should be removed, and the topsoil should be raked gently to help establish the new seedlings. The product is applied by hand in those areas where it is needed the most. Make sure you water the lawn regularly during the first 2 weeks after application to ensure good grass seed germination. And take care to confirm the seedlings are well established and rooted before mowing the patch for the first time. You really don't want to tear up your new patch of grass by mowing too early. Aftercare is also important. Feeding, mowing and watering the lawn on a regular basis will help to keep the lawn lush, thick and robust. Evergreen offers a range of patching products with combined ingredients that contain grass seed, feed and coir, as well as a special binder to make sure the seeds don't wash away. It grows 2 times as thick than ordinary grass seed and has a super fast germination, with the first shoots appearing in only 4 days. It contains coir, which is a super absorbent growing media and can act as a topsoil, only better. Coir absorbs 6 times its weight in water to surround the seed in a moist protective layer. Some of the evergreen patching products also contain gypsum, which is a mineral which neutralizes and repairs urine burns in lawns and creates a saline tolerant grass seed.